In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all chat messages quickly on Discord. If you're looking for a way to delete all of your Discord messages quickly, it's important to understand how Discord currently handles message deletion. At the moment, Discord does not include a built-in feature that lets you erase every message in a conversation with a single click. However, there are a few methods that can help you remove messages more efficiently, depending on whether you're deleting your own messages or managing a server. Let's start with deleting your own messages. If you're in a direct message or a server where you have permission to remove your own posts, hover your mouse over the message you want to delete. You'll see a menu appear on the right side of the message. Click the three dots to open more options, then select Delete. Discord will ask you to confirm the action, and once you do, the message will be permanently removed. While this manual method is simple and works reliably, it can take a long time if you have hundreds of messages to remove. That's why many desktop users prefer using a keyboard shortcut to speed up the process when deleting their most recent messages. To do this, press the up arrow key on your keyboard. Discord will reopen your most recent message in edit mode. Next, press Ctrl and A at the same time to select all of the text in that message. Press backspace to clear the content, then press Enter to complete the deletion. After the message is removed, you can repeat the same shortcut for your next most recent message. Although you still have to repeat the process, it's much faster than opening the menu and confirming every deletion manually. If you're managing a Discord server and want to clear messages in bulk, the process is different. Bulk message management depends on your server permissions and the moderation tools available in your server. If you have the appropriate permissions, you can use your server's moderation features to remove multiple messages more efficiently instead of deleting them one at a time. Keep in mind that once a message has been deleted, it cannot be recovered through Discord, so make sure you're removing the correct messages before confirming the deletion. That's all there is to it. While Discord doesn't currently offer a one-click option to delete every chat message, these methods can help you remove messages much more quickly than doing everything manually. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,